Hi, and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at the Manchester City away shirt from the 1994-96 season, so that's 1994 to 1996. This shirt was purchased from dhgate.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. The shirt itself comes in a standard bag. On the flip side, it does have the usual health warnings. So if you are new around here, make sure you subscribe, as I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you do enjoy this content, then obviously hit the like button and share. It just helps me get my videos out there to more people. I do like buying shirts from zvbest1.com. Main reason being the turnaround is usually about 15 days now, which is absolutely outstanding. So that's why I've been doing quite a few more reviews from their site on this channel. So as I said, this is the Manchester City away shirt, 94. So we'll get this shirt out of the bag and we'll have a full look. I do like the retroness, and quite a few actually videos that I've been doing recently are of retro shirts. So yeah, let's get this out of the bag and we'll take a closer look. Okay, starting at the top of the shirt, we do have a proper collar. And yeah, it's just got the usual little bit of flakiness at the end there, but apart from that, a nice, good collar. Stitching under the arms look good. Umbro's a little bit wonky, but overall not bad. Manchester City badge been embroidered in. Feels nice and secure. And then we're down to the brother sponsor. This is actually vinyl. I thought it was in the material then, but no, I've just felt it a little bit more, and it is vinyl. Moving to the bottom of the shirt, hemline looks good. If I move my hand out, you can see a little bit through it, not too see-through, but it is still the usual lightweight material. I do like that little V actually. Oh, a little bit of cotton there, but again, nothing too drastic. Yeah, all looking tidy. This is one of my favourite Man City shirts actually. I do like the red and black, which is probably, I'm not a Man City fan, but I guess it was probably a little bit controversial being the colours of their neighbours. Okay, we're on to the back now, and the back is actually very plain. Collar line does follow around, and it does look a nice, good collar. Material all looks fine on there. Obviously I've got no name or number, although it probably been just a number when this shirt was being worn. A number probably would look quite good on this one actually, because it is just a very plain black and red. But as you know, most of the time when I get these shirts, only the rare occasion do I get a name or a number on them. I do like to keep them plain. The retro ones are probably the ones that I do more get a name and number on, only because this tends to be like a bit of a cult hero or something. When you buy a shirt these days from one of the newer teams, the player you get on there probably leaves within a few weeks or so. I did get Schmodix on my Blackburn one, on the home one, but the away and the third shirt I just left as plain. So yeah, that's the back. We'll flip it inside out and we'll have a good look at the inside too. Get on the inside of the shirt now. A little bit of excess cotton up there just around the collar line, but apart from that, no real concerns. Again, some little extra string down there, but absolutely fine. Manchester City crest, actually, that's not gone on too bad at all. You expect to see the little bits on the joins, but apart from that, looking good. Stitching under the arm, all looks nice. Umbro, we do get the usual bits of excess card there. I've pulled that one a little bit off. That just shows how simple they do come off. Stitching all looks tidy around there. Where we had the brother, mentioned that been heat pressed on. Actually on the inside you can tell more so it's been heat pressed on just by rubbing your fingers on it, but there's no lumps or bumps, so it has gone on really well. We do have our washing tag down here, branded Umbro. Recommendation is always hand wash only, flip it inside out, and that'll obviously preserve the life of your shirt. Hemline looking nice and tidy. There is a little bump there, but that's just a creasing from where the shirt has been in the bag. Overall, I think it's looking good on the inside so far. Okay, we've got the final part of the inside of the shirt. Again, just following along around the collar line, all looking tidy. We do have the Umbro standard tag with the ones that they put on there, size XL. It is a retro shirt, but it is going to fit like an XL. So the recommendation though is, as always, when you buy your first shirt, just use it as a bit of a test one, and then you'll know what size you are. The majority of the sellers, I think, the sizing is always pretty much the same. So you'll know if you buy an XL on one, you can buy an XL from another supplier as well. There was a little bit of excess cotton under the arm on that side and down here, but these ones can soon be sorted with a pair of scissors. I'll just zoom back on that one because I didn't actually talk about it when I was there. But yeah, I just get a pair of scissors and chop that off. I'm not overly concerned by that at all. Just thinking if I push in, you can just make out the crest there. Umbro is here and the sponsor there. You can see the T there. Look, so again, that does give you the indication of how the material is quite lightweight and see-through. But there we have the final part of the inside. I'll flip it around and we'll have a look at the final part of the outside of the shirt. Okay, so there we have our Manchester City away shirt. I did record the intro to this a few days back, and actually since then the seller has changed their website, and you do tend to see this a little bit with some of these resellers, or these sellers should I say. So they were zvbest1.com. They are now bestzv1.com. So I say at the start of the video what they're called, and the title and the description will have the site in there. I will make sure that it's updated with the correct one as per the video now, which is bestzv1.com. All details for them will be in the description of the video. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this one. If you have, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But definitely one of my favourite Man City shirts that we've looked at on this channel. The badge, I do love the retro badge. Umbro is not too bad, but having the sponsor of Brother just oozes retroness from Manchester City. So yeah, thank you very much for watching as we zoom out. But thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.